you know you gotta step up your game to make it to the top, so go. Got a little competition, no, you're gonna find out how to cope with living on your own. Oh, let's make this happen, girl. We're gonna show them all this time, get to work and it can work for you, and you know that it will. Let's get this started, girl. We're moving up, it's been a lot to change, but you will always get what you want. It took a little time to make a little better. It's only going up, just one thing then another, you know.